we have a few ingredients which we're going to be naming out, and these ingredients are in the supermarket looking at us 95% of the time. Oh yeah. So what we're gonna do, it's simple, very simple, nothing too complicated. Okay, so if we come right here, we're gonna name out kiwi, ginger, cucumber, lemon, and green apple. All of these, we're going to put them into a blender and we're going to blend them and drink it. If you don't see this video, it's on my YouTube channel. This is rosemary tea, very good for inflammation, joint pain, detoxify the liver, and the list goes on. So the first thing we're going to do, okay, is put it right here. Hopefully everything can hold. All right, kiwi, cucumber, lemon, apple, ginger. We're gonna put everything inside of it. Okay. Lovely. So you can see that everything is inside of it. And what we're going to do next is put a little bit of water, not too much. All right, and then put on that lid. You don't need to do anything else. No sugar, no sweetener, all natural as it is. Okay, quickly. Remember, you can also get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It's available for every one of you guys. Grab yourself one and support the progress. Here it is. We're going to make some noise. All right, lovely. So what we're gonna do is blend this right here. What we're gonna do now is pour it out. Just like that. And you can drink this first thing in the morning, or you can also drink it during the day. You can drink it whatever time you feel like. It's up to you. Beautiful smoothie for breakfast. All right, so please enjoy it, guys, and tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. A good vibes. And if it's something where you say to yourself, wow, I'd love to make this at home, yeah, give it a try. All right, give it a try and be happy with this recipe. Wow, look at that, amazing. All right, guys, I eat this now for you. Enjoy it.